Wondering about the differences between Facebook Live versus Instagram Live for business? Even though Facebook and Instagram are owned by the same company, there's actually quite a few differences between the two live platforms, and I'll break them all down for you right now, all right? Let's get into it. What's up, busy people? Welcome to 5-Minute Social Media, where we help business owners increase their results from social media while cutting their workload by 50 to 80%. All right, if you're ready to get more results while doing less work, eliminating those unnecessary tasks, hit subscribe, click that bell. That way you'll be notified each week when we release another helpful video. My name is Jerry Potter. Yes, it rhymes with the boy wizard. And in this video, I'm going to break down the differences between Facebook Live and Instagram Live. And by the end, you'll be able to make the best decision for which tool, or both of them, will work best for your business. And stay until the very end, because I'm going to give you 3 ways to get more people to show up for your live videos, whether it's Facebook or Instagram that you're using. So obviously both Facebook and Instagram allow you to stream live, so let's talk about the key differences between them. First, Facebook Lives can be done from your computer or your phone, while Instagram Lives can only be done from the mobile app. Facebook Lives live forever on your page or profile or in your group, while Instagram Lives disappear after 24 hours. Now, some people do opt to save their Instagram Live to their phone and then re-upload it to IGTV or another channel, but when you do that, you do lose all of the comments, all of the engagement, all of the social proof you got while you were live. Facebook Lives can be up to 8 hours, while Instagram Lives can be up to 1 hour. Facebook Lives can be in landscape or portrait, while Instagram Lives are portrait only. Facebook Live connects with other streaming tools to allow you to add graphics, post comments on the screen, and a lot more, while Instagram Live does not. Facebook Live allows for a caption so people know what the live is about. Instagram has no caption. Facebook Live shows the video when it comes up in the feed, so if the visual intrigues someone, they might stop and watch. On Instagram, they actually have to click into the video to find out what it's about or even what it looks like. You can pre-schedule a Facebook Live, then promote the link in other places, but you can't pre-schedule on Instagram. And finally, Facebook Live videos can be boosted or turned into ads, but Instagram Lives cannot. So clearly there are a lot more advantages to a Facebook Live versus an Instagram Live. So why would you ever use Instagram Live? Actually, there's 2 really good reasons. One, because that's where your audience is. If you've got 12 people follow you on Facebook and you have 12,000 on Instagram, Instagram Live makes a lot more sense. But the other reason is that 24-hour expiration is not necessarily a bad thing. The urgency that's created by that makes a massive difference for people. It's easy for somebody to scroll on Facebook, see you were live, and go, oh yeah, I'll watch that later. And rarely will they come back. But on Instagram, if you are live or I see you went live, I know I have to watch it within 24 hours or it's gone. So I might actually be more likely to watch it in real time, or at least as soon as I saw that you were live later that day. So how do you get more people to watch your lives? Well, before going live, there are 3 things you can do to make sure as many people are tuning in as possible to see what you're going to be doing. First, promote it ahead of time. With Facebook, you can pre-schedule the live and have a specific link you can use to promote via email and other social media channels. With Instagram, the live appears right on your profile, so you can just link to your profile. By the way, I linked to my favorite tool for easily scheduling Facebook Lives in the description of this video. Second, if you can, go live regularly at the same time every week. You can really build up a following that way. And third, have an outline for when you go live. With recorded video, someone can look at the length of the video and decide if they want to make time to watch it. But when you're doing a live video, people have no idea how long you're going to keep broadcasting. Give people an indication at the beginning of exactly what you're going to kind of cover, a beginning, middle, and end if you can, and then every 1 to 2 minutes, depending on how long you're live, reset it for people that are tuning in partway through. Keep it simple though. Just, hey, for anyone who just joined us, today we're talking about this, and then go right into it. You don't want to drive away the people that have been there watching live the whole time. If you're looking for more tutorials about how to do Instagram Live and things about Facebook Live, I've linked to some of my most popular ones in the description of this video. And if you want to save time on your social media, get more results by focusing on the tasks that actually make a difference, grab my free guide, 6 ways to cut your social media workload in half. You can click the link on the screen here, or if you don't see it for some reason on your device, the link is also in the description of this video. Thank you for watching and supporting me, as well as my 2 tiny superheroes at home.